Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a candy unboxing video. While I was moving the camera, you probably saw it. Yes, it is right here. It's actually cotton candy. See? And this little cut right here is for like when you're done. It's for a piggy bank. It says coin bank, cotton candy, fun sweets, vanilla. So I'm gonna start opening it. I kind of opened it in the car because I forgot. I was gonna make a video. Okay, let's go back some. Okay, so I forgot. I'm gonna make a video. So like this is the but yeah, I'm gonna open it now. I'm not sure. I probably got chocolate. It's actually a clear can with the white vanilla. Can I try it? I'm just gonna get a little bit. I'm gonna try and get yours. She got pink. It looks white, but she got pink.
I got pink, guys. It's that.
It looks white. It actually looks like an orangish white, but it's pink. We're gonna be eating each other's. She already opened hers. I can't open this. Where's the little slit at? It's probably on the top. Yeah. I found it. This makes no sense. We didn't get the same one. That's why she got. Let's open it. See, I have it open. She got it's open by her. So.
I'll open mine, guys. It's her iPhone. Okay, guys.
This is my little cousin. She's actually like, she's 4 years old.
And I got Halloween bucket. This Halloween candy.
It's not Halloween candy. It's cotton candy.
Okay, guys. This cute. Yeah, it's cute.
So this is what the top lines look like if y'all kind of forgot or something.
Yeah, this top is ice cream.
I can like take this top off and like replace it with this other one too. We're actually about to taste each other's, but let me try mine first. She might like it. See that little slit right there at the bottom? What's that? Oh my gosh, mine smells so sweet.
Let's smell it. It's so sweet.
Get over here. Get over here. I'm just not so she can be in the video. Okay, guys, so we are about to move yours because we can't see.
And one more top.
Scoot over here. Scoot over here. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Okay, perfect. So we are about to try each other's. So first I'm gonna try mine. She's already tried hers. So I'm about to try mine.
Let me taste it.
It tastes like hers. So I'm gonna, don't try it yet. Don't touch it. I'm gonna get a little bit of both. So hold on. I got a little bit of both. I got some more white one and some of her pink one. Don't try it yet. Don't try it yet. 1, 2, 3. So let me go first. It tastes sweet, but it's like has like a really, really weird sugary taste to it. Here, let me try a little bit more because it is.
I'll get a little more light here.
Yeah. So now we're about to eat our own.
We eat our own. And I'm eating my cotton candy. It's good, guys.
over here. Stop putting your face way over there. Thank you.
So we should take a look at a quick spin move. And this is a scouting report, right? So the next guy that plays
Yeah, like I said, I can place this with this.
come underneath with a spin. That's twice.
No, I can't. It's too big.
Griffin has got 2 sacks
Let me see.
this very same pass move.
So good.
4 sacks in the game.
Let me see my guys.
No, I don't. I can't get it. And then in here with some change. I'm just like, well, right now I don't. I have to pop it off. That. Oh, look. It's layers, I guess. I'm going to eat the first layer. I'm going to close it with the ice cream top. While I eat my first layer. Comment down below if you know, like cotton candy, and are you doing that? Comment your favorite type of cotton candy, like
This like
strawberry,
cotton candy
blueberry,
too.
vanilla. I like hers.
Yeah. Good.
Make sure y'all subscribe
I
to
like
the channel.
strawberries. I like
Keep it
strawberries.
quiet. I'm trying to talk. So I got vanilla. I gotta just pick this. They had
I got
the vanilla.
strawberries.
You done said that like 5 times. So I got cotton candy, vanilla, and they had chocolate too, but I knew what choice to pick, and I picked that one. Next time I'm probably gonna get chocolate. Next time I might get vanilla.
Uh-huh.
All for the fouls. Interestingly enough, filled in for Everson Griffin last year when Everson was getting healthy.
Weatherly, a Georgia native. Snellville, Georgia.
Bless you.
Thank you. So good.
Look, I'm gonna show y'all something. I'm gonna switch mine all together. One ball.
Stephon Diggs has 2 catches for 37. And
I just wanna pull it.
a single catch in the game. You'd say Minnesota probably is
It looks like a cloud or something.
Well, you know what they do have? And
It's really soft.
if you run the ball 36 times in the NFL for 5 yards of carry, so things are working out pretty well.
If y'all want to go, if y'all want to go and get this roll, because it's actually really good. I wish I could tell it's so good. But if you want to go get this, it will be in the comment section where to get it and where it might be. Actually, I found this in a buggy. You know, we all found those buggies and it has a whole bunch of stuff in it. Stop. And that's where I found it from, so you might find it in Cartersville, Ingalls, by Domino's and Sonic, and the bank. And yeah, and go in there. Or if you found it, if you like were somewhere and you didn't hear me, you know, wanna go back on the video, like rewind, then it'll be in the comment section. And if you just went to another video, it'll be in the comment section. Mine really does look like cotton.
Wow, like real meat is something that you can taste the difference in. Raised without antibiotics, all that stuff.
Now we're gonna switch.
Quality food.
The only times that matter in this life are great ones. Do it for the cheers.
This is really good.
Mine?
This is really good.
And yours really good. Oh.
Make sure y'all say it again. Make sure y'all like this video,
Like this video,
comment,
comment,
share it,
share it,
And like it, subscribe.
subscribe.
Now I'm gonna switch back because you've messed it up. Now she has like. Might eat this one day. It's good. Oh, way down.
Me too.
No, you don't. You just want to do that because I'm doing it. So stop. One more thing. It kind of has like a coconut taste, a coconutty taste to it. Yeah. Watch when I pull it out. Looks like a whole
Why should
cotton
I
ball.
put it out?
But when you run it the way they've run it,
Will you stop copying me?
Chris mentioned a moment ago, 174 yards and nearly
It looks like a
5 yards.
whole ripped cotton ball.
Second down the right. And now he goes down officially for the third time today into the arm.
This one's, that one's pink, right? And mine looks more clear because it's white. Is there her?
And mine's pink.
I'm gonna give it back. Now it looks white. This is hers though.
Eat it. You can't eat it.
Get off my finger.
Saquon Barkley, I think I was having a conversation
So,
with Alex
that's it for today.
about the Giants this year, and I told Alex I think
Make sure you do all those steps that I said. Like
Mine is white.
no, it's not. It's pink. Okay, we'll stop. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you in a minute. Peace.